So welcome. Come on in. This is Keto Granny. I'm getting ready to make some Italian meatballs. And I wanted to share with you how I make these. These are high protein and they come in very, very handy for me on my keto weight loss journey. I've been eating a lot of these. I think last time I made them, I got something like 17 meatballs. And they're very, very high protein. And I usually try to eat something like 3, somewhere around there, and then I add in a lot more protein with this. So let's go ahead and get started over here on meatballs. Let me turn my camera around. Okay, this is the area I'm going to be working in. I have some market size grass-fed 80% lean ground beef that I'll be using, and also I'll be using some mild Italian ground sausage. I'm going to mix these two together in the pan, and then I'm going to add my seasoning, some breadcrumbs, an egg, and some water, and then I'll go ahead and start cooking. So let's go ahead and put a little light over here. Stir. Yes. So I had made everything, mixed it so I could show you all how I was making my keto Italian meatballs. But that part of the video did not come out. So I am continuing from where I am now. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and start cooking my meatballs. These meatballs are so delicious, and you can add in other proteins to the meatballs as you're cooking them. You can add in Parmesan, you can add in cheese, a lot of different things. Just find different proteins that you like and see if you can add it into your meatballs to make them a higher protein. I want you to know that these meatballs are very keto friendly. All of the ingredients that I have used in them are keto friendly, except for the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs, normally I like to make my own breadcrumbs, protein sparing modified fasting breadcrumbs, and these give the meatballs a lot more protein. After I did finish my meatballs, I put them in the refrigerator so that they could firm up a bit more before I started cooking them. Anyhow, these are the meatballs that I put together. So you can see how nice these are. It's 18 meatballs. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the skillet. Then go ahead and start. These are absolutely delicious. I love these meatballs. They're high protein. And I actually finished, I mixed everything, kneaded it together, showed you all how I did it, and then it did not come out on the recording messed up. So I am just continuing what I have, but I'm going to let these meatballs cook. After they cook, I want to come back and share with you. So I made a whole video showing you how I made my meatball. Mixed it, added the ingredients and everything, and it didn't come out. So I didn't get to share those parts with you. But the meatballs are very, very good. They're high protein. And it's something that you can have readily available on your keto regular stuff. This is those meatballs right here. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Now I am going to let those meatballs cook. I'd say about maybe 15 minutes, and I'll turn them as needed. You cook your meatballs to how you like your meatballs. Okay. After I cook my meatballs, I'll put them in a container and put them in the refrigerator. But these meatballs are so good. Has anyone out there ever made keto-friendly Italian meatballs? If you haven't, you should try it. Try it, you all. You will love them. They are high protein. Like I said, depending on what you're adding in, you can make your meatballs very high protein. Now, just think eating four of these meatballs is 40 grams of protein. And then if you add in something else with your meatballs, you can have a really high, delicious protein meal. When I get hungry or hangry and I want a snack, I snack on meatballs. Let these cook here. are the meatballs. These are ready. Are the delicious meatballs. I have 18 meatballs. I'm not going to eat one tonight because it's almost 9 o'clock and my fasting, I've started my fasting for tonight. So I'm going to put these up and I'll have some tomorrow. So these are my meatballs. I hope that you have enjoyed in the kitchen with Keto Granny tonight. Tonight I have my high protein meatballs that I made so that I can have something readily available in the refrigerator. I hope that you have enjoyed in the kitchen with Keto Granny, and I will see you tomorrow. Did you not want to see a movie? Oh,